Hello everyone, let's start to run single line and group function of SQL. For this we have to log in SQL Server. After that we have to use all the single row functions of SQL. There are different types of single row functions in SQL. It is categorized in numeric function, date function and string function. First of all, we will discuss all the numeric function. These numeric functions are stored in math library of SQL. We can use different mathematical functions like power, mod and round to execute in a single row. For this, we have to write the query select power and the number which we want to produce in a power. Like this, here we have written select power 5 comma 2. It means the square of 5. It will display 25. So this is the use of power function. It will show the square root of any number. You can also use power 3, 4 and etc. to get the power of any number. The next function is round function. It will show the nearest positive integer and rounded number of any decimal numbers. Like for this we have to use select round and the decimal number, like it will show the nearest positive integer number like 6. We can also execute the mod function in a single row query. It will display the remainder of any divisible number. For this we have to write select mod and the number which we want to module, like 40 divided by 8. It will display the remainder 0. You can also get the remainder like this. If you want to divide it by 7, it will show the remainder like 5. So these are the mathematical functions. After that we have to use all the string functions. For string we have to write select mod. If you want to change any text in uppercase, we can write upper, U-case and uppercase. Within the brackets we have to put the text which we want to change in uppercase. It is converted in capital. Similarly, we can also convert the text in lowercase by using the lower function. For this we have to write lower instead of upper. The text should be in uppercase. It will display the text in lowercase. We can also find the length of this text by using length function. It will display the length of the text, is 5. The length function also counts special characters and space to display the length of the text. It will show 9. It means the 5 characters RWNA and 4 is blank space. We can remove the blank space by using trim, Ltrim and Rtrim. Rtrim used to remove the trailing blanks, whereas L-trim used to remove the leading blank. Like this, it will remove the leading blank but does not remove the trailing blank. Similarly, the R-trim function removes the trailing blank.